Hey, what's going on? It's Caleb back from Baptizing Gaming, and today, hopefully, we're going to be starting our barley harvest. But first, I'm going to be hooking up the mixer wagon so I can fill it and get so if I need to, I can go feed the cows. Just gotta line it up if I can. Oh, it's gonna be difficult. And there we go. Alright, now we got our feed, and oh, yep, just gotta flip around real quick. Alright, and actually I'm gonna check on the cattle's feed, see how good they're doing. Yep, looks looks about enough. Alright, so I just got back to the farm, and I'm gonna be bringing this, I'm gonna hook the gravity wagons up to the 50-20 and bring them up to the field, because that should be done in a bit. Back up, back. Okay, stop. There we go. Just gotta climb the combine real quick. And my buddy Daniel's here, so he can be harvesting while I go bale. There we go, Daniel is now harvesting, and I'm just gonna pull the gravity wagons up so they're out of the way. That's out of the way enough. Pull up a little bit farther. There we go, that looks all good. Alright, got back on a long walk to the farm, and I'm gonna be using this tractor to be baling. Daniel looks like he's doing good, and I gotta grab my baler. That's all the way over here. Ooh. This is gonna take some precise maneuvering. Very precise. Alright, I got that hooked up. And now, just gotta bail. Ooh, shoot. Oh, that was close to being a flip. Alright, so I've been driving around for a bit, and there's been some noises back in the baler. I'm not really too concerned about it, because they're just like small little sounds, nothing too big. So I'm hoping that baling can go smoothly. Yeah, so hopefully the bales are pretty good, so because feedlot's been running low on bales for a couple months. And another bale is done. Alright, the noises are getting bigger, so I'm gonna make my last bale and see what's going on. Oh, that does not sound good. Okay, just empty this bale real quick. Oh no, what was that noise? I'm gonna pull off to the side real quick. Oh, the one thing I didn't want to happen. A big rod got caught in that spindle. You see right there? And it just absolutely destroyed it. Oh, that's not going to be cheap to fix. Baling's going to have to be put on pause. I have to go down to the dealership, see what I can find for parts. Time to walk back to the truck. I'm just pulling the town here. Dealerships. Empty as always. Soon I'm going to be putting equipment in this so it'll look realistic. Alright, so I've been looking at this tractor. So this is a 4830. It's a pretty nice tractor. So I kind of was thinking of getting a base one like this. But there's also a loader option, which I'm kind of leaning towards. Or I can just put, duals on it like this. Which I think I'm going to favor that more. But we'll just see for now what happens. Okay, so I just got back from going out of the dealership and they didn't have any of those spindle things, so I'm gonna have to have that ordered for me. Alright, Daniel went home, so I have to finish harvesting for now, and our yield isn't too good right now, and the barley's just wet. It's not gonna be good. Alright, just got out of the combine, we got finished. So that part should be come up in not a month, in like 2 weeks, so we should be good. Hopefully done by then. Well, after I install the part, but I may have to bring the baler down. Alright, next day, and just gotta unload the barley so everything can get put away till, oh no, what was it? Harvest time for beans and corn. Usually we get a higher yield for this field, but we didn't spray it this year. So, less crop, I guess. Alright, time to give this thing a bath. Dirty. Get dirty. I'm surprised there wasn't a rock engine into the header. Alright, now we got the 50-20. I'm going to be unloading these barley. And yeah, they're only at 44% in the gravity wagon, so not really going to sell for too high. Loading. There we go. I'm just gonna park it underneath this for now, because it's supposed to storm, and I don't want my storm to get beat up, or my wagons. Over in here. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And should we get rid of this 50-20 for that 48-30? Let me know.